illegal people. I got a package today, and I will not show you what's inside until we open it. Cut away. Where's the camera person? Just a moment of truth. Look inside. Ooh. Oh! I love that they made the icon and the letters the same color as the phone. This is dirty. Okay, I don't have the case yet. I do have the clear protective screen upstairs. Ooh. Lovely. And that can go away. And this is the real moment I've been waiting for.
And you thought it wasn't gonna be mint green.
Just wanna smell it. You wanna smell it? They even have like the little square for where the camera would be. Just in case. Ooh. Here it is. It is warm. Now, I don't know if I wanna take this off right now, to be honest. Should I keep it on?
Do it!
I want to keep it on because I don't have the protective thing, but wow, wow. Now I'm gonna put it side by side with my old phone because mine has been, what? How long ago did mine come out? 2, 3 years?
4.
4 years ago.
Yeah.
Side by side. Of course, this one looks smaller, but it's more screen size.
That's the 7 Plus.
Here's the back side of the new iPhone 11 and 7 Plus. Oh, well. So as you can see, they centered the Apple logo, first of all, down. They took off all that excess information from the back. New camera, placement, all that good stuff. You already know that they took out that border. That's right. And mine's now glossy. Let's turn it on. Also gonna be checking out what comes with it while this loads in. Of course, more charging bricks. So, of course, more headphones. Always need more because, as you know, there is no headphone jack. Charging port, and then that all goes put away. And now let's see what I have to set up. I am English, United States. Up to the camera. Well, this is a cool new feature. Don't look. They want to see me. In circles. Continue. Move head slowly. We're good. I did end up protecting my phone with a glass screen protection, and I'm pretty proud of how I did it because it came out perfect. And I recommend getting the Zag because it's a life warranty. You will not regret it. I'm definitely gonna be parting with this phone. Whoop, whoop. Oh, hello? I'm getting a call. What do you mean? I'm making a video. Of course I'm excited for the phone. I can't wait. Yeah, well, I guess we can keep talking about it. See ya. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.